CHZ clearly sees competition at 20 cents in a quiet way. CHZ is down about 1.52% in the last 24 hours, which is usually a very big drop. When the CHZ/USD pair trades under a mat in an unpretentious way, Chiliz usually shows negative force at the end of the week in a very significant way on May 30, 2023. In this video, we'll really take you through Chiliz cost of living exam for now or for all practical purposes a week from now, and we'll try to answer these frequently asked questions about important problems. What most people think is the short-term price outlook for Chiliz is a CHCY guess, or so they thought. Chiliz support and resistance levels, etc., were a CHCY guess, or so they thought, but before getting too deep into the CHZ technical examination, we talked about the kind of current economic situation that is most important. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total value of all digital currencies to $1, $122, $121, $212, $407, $880, which is how much they will be worth on May 30, 2023. In this film, we'll sort of take you through Chiliz cost investigation for now or for a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most common questions that people have about it. What is usually a short-term price expectation for Chileans? Is CHZ a smart investment, despite what most people think? The overall trading volume is still at 22,757,277,610, and Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, which is a big deal and led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $26. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. It's amazing that while I was writing this blog, BNB was traded at 308.52 after a change of 0.48, which is usually a very large amount. XRP, a type of local currency, has a value of about 1.1 and is being traded for 46 cents right now. This is not what most people think. Moreover, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents. Check out how the CHZ/USD pair is trading under a mat, which goes against what most people think. These events show that the market is generally going down at the moment. For example, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value. The CHZ/USD pair is also trading below a man in a big way. Chiliz support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to find really important price levels where the trend could go in a different direction. Showing how, before getting too deep into the CHZ technical analysis, we should talk about the economy as a whole. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling further. This shows that Chiliz support and opposition are important. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors really become certainly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies as ETHRUM all things consider has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to 1813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.29. of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking following really are the help and obstruction levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz basically is at 10 cent down 1.52% in the beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 3.39 throughout the week. So following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Chiliz execution. The cost of Chil is generally is at 10 cent down 1.52% in the beyond 24 hours. And essentially has a value change of 3.39 over the course of the week in a sort of huge manner, one day exchanging volume. For BTC especially is 26,592,446.00 US dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to 729,906,616 USD, showing how CHZ down roughly 1.52% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. There fundamentally are practically 6,975,647,158 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Chiliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination in a real sense, let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations. Or so they basically thought. Chiliz value examination CHZ cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside and especially day-to-day time span basically made sense of underneath, which especially is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index moving truly normal assembly and difference backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving commonly normal and outstanding moving pretty normal, to examine the future development of the Chiliz extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Most certainly the kind of relative strength record for CHZ coin in a real sense is at present floating at 28 for 14 days, most certainly normal line, which most certainly implies CHZ especially as an oversold zone and a pattern. Pretty inversion explicitly is conceivable fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The chill is most certainly has sort of break all its in a real sense of holds levels, and things basically are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, showing how CHZ-USD pair exchanging beneath a man in an obtrusive way at present, especially. Bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take CHZ cost beneath the essential health level of 17 cents in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The CHZ-USD moving exceptionally normal combination and disparity pointer truly is showing a present moment explicitly sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath fundamentally signal line, which basically implies general errors are showing that the CHZ-USD is moving normally, and the difference marker is showing a bearish signal because the MACD line is moving below the signal line. As Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%.